everyone and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't met before, hi, my name is Shiv. If you're coming back, then welcome. In today's video I have partnered with Meroda Cosmetics again, seeing as you guys loved the last video, on the amazing Eye Perfecting Shimmery Sticks. They are absolutely beautiful. There's 5 shades. We're going to get into them and show you how I created this very simple but beautiful everyday eye look. They're so perfect for an everyday kind of effect, as a spoiler for the video. But if you'd like to see me show these products in their beauty, then please carry on watching. I'll be swatching them and showing you how I create this really beautiful easy eye look. Then please carry on watching. Before you do, please feel free to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, it means the absolute world. And please go ahead and follow me on my social media pages. I'm Siobhan Makeup Biz on all platforms, which really is here, Instagram and TikTok. Go ahead and follow Meroda Cosmetics. I'll have all their channels linked in the description box down below. They have some absolutely beautiful products. I highly recommend you go check them out. But yeah, without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video, Disney Channel style. So all I'm doing is just popping a bronzer through the crease as the kind of like eyeshadow part of this look, just for a little bit of dimension underneath. But super simple. You can just use your face bronzer for this. So simple. Just take a fluffy brush and blend back and forth through the crease of the eye, and then a little kind of circular motion towards the outer part of your lid, and that's going to create a really nice kind of base for those cream shadows. So going to run some of that bronzer just underneath my lower lash line as well, just for a little bit more definition. And now we're going to get into the beautiful Eye Perfecting Sticks from Meroda Cosmetics. There are 5 shades and they're all absolutely gorgeous. They're perfect for like an everyday kind of look. And Meroda Cosmetics has also come out with a really useful kind of guide to complement your eye colour. I'll insert a screenshot of that for you right now so you can have a look. It's really helpful. And I will also pop a discount code on the screen for you so you can go ahead and shop at Meroda Cosmetics and get some discount on these goodies. But let's just jump straight into them. So there are 5 really beautiful shades right here. I could use any of these in an everyday look if I wanted to, but I'm going to go for maybe 2 or 3 today. So these are the colours swatched right for you now. I'm going to zoom in and focus on this for you. So hopefully that's in focus. If not, I will use footage from my phone to show you the beautiful swatches right here. So you have pearl, champagne, gold, bronze, and mauve. Some really beautiful tones and definitely something for everyone. So out of all those 5 beautiful shades, I'm going to take pearl right on that inner corner to highlight, and maybe on my brow bone if I'm feeling fancy. Champagne on the inner portion of the lid to really brighten the eye, followed with a little bit of mauve towards the outer corner, and see what I can come up with. I'm super excited to show you these. Okay, so super easy to do this, so foolproof. I'm just popping a little bit of pearl right on the tear duct kind of area of the eye, and then also the inner corner. Because of the point of these, they're super easy to apply. And then I'm just going to take my ring finger and just give it a really gentle tap out, just to blend it ever so slightly. And then if I want to go and re-intensify it, I can literally just add a little extra dot of that colour. So pretty, and that alone has really brightened up my eyes. Okay, so that's pearl all done. So easy. I think that took me about 5 or 10 seconds. And then going in with champagne, I'm going to pop this on the inner kind of section of the lid, and I'm just roughly kind of popping this on top of the lid area. I love how creamy and easy these are to apply, and they're super long lasting as well. So ideal for this summertime. I'm just going to use the end of my finger just to blend out the edges. So simple. Done. That took me no time at all. Just look at the sparkle. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Love. I'm really blending that out with my finger. And that is pearl and champagne so far. I'm now going to finish off with the shade mauve. This is super pretty. This is that shade here right at the end of my swatch. Really gorgeous. And I'm going to pop that in this outer section right here. Because of the point, I can get a really really nice, precise application if I want to. And they're just going to blend together so beautifully. Such a foolproof way to do your eyeshadow. I'm just going to use my trusty little finger over here and just blend that out. Just kind of in patting motions, just don't go too crazy. Just little pats to blend that out really softly. And one of the best things about these sticks is the fact that usually I tend to do my eyeshadow first so you don't get fallout. But with the sticks, there are no fallout. There are no fallout? There is no fallout. So this is ideal for that like foolproof kind of makeup look. So, so pretty, and that is literally all done. Okay, so that is literally it for my eyeshadow. I'm really happy with this. It's so easy, so nice to like an everyday glam as well. Okay, and that is literally it for the eyeshadow. So gorgeous, so simple and effective. Really easy to do and so good for beginners. I'm going to go ahead and finish off this eye look with the liquid liner and the Gilded Lashes mascara, and I'll be right back. Popping on a little bit of a baby wing, nothing dramatic. Okay, so that's the eyes done. I'm just going to go ahead and put on a quick lip to finish this look. I'm taking the Meroda Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Rosewood, which is so beautiful, one of my favourite lip liners ever. And then for lipstick, I'm taking the Meroda Cosmetics Velvet Dream lipstick in the shade Perfect Nude. I'll link my video down below where I've used all of these. And this is the finished eye look using the Eye Perfecting Sticks from Meroda Cosmetics. So easy, honestly, really foolproof and so easy to do. Just makes your eyes absolutely pop and sparkle for the rest of the day. So this is the finished look using the Eye Perfecting Shimmer Sticks from Meroda Cosmetics. As you can tell, I absolutely love these. I love an eyeshadow stick. They're so easy to work with. They're really good for adding a little bit of jazz to like an already nice eyeshadow look that you're happy with, or if you just want to use them all alone like I've done today to do a really simple and quick out the door, good to go kind of eye look. There's 5 shades of them and they are absolutely all beautiful. I think my favourite has to be Mauve, which is what I've got kind of more on this second third of the eye, and I also do really love Pearl. I think Pearl is actually going to be my most used eyeshadow stick from Meroda Cosmetics. I think it's so gorgeous. I love highlighting the inner corner of the eye, especially when you have really any makeup look on, whether it's super bold and dramatic and colourful, whether it's more toned down for like every day. This is really ideal to really bring the kind of life back to the inner corner of the eye. They're really long lasting. They are super wearable, easy to blend and work with, and they will definitely be going in my everyday makeup bag. Of course, this video is in partnership with Meroda Cosmetics, so thank you so much for partnering with me again on this collaboration. I absolutely love Meroda Cosmetics. Their products are so good. This is the setting spray I have just to kind of show you, and you can see how much I have used of this setting spray just to show you that I really am using the products from this amazing brand. But of course, all opinions are my own. I haven't been told what to say. Just play with the eyeshadow sticks, and this is what I came up with. I have used them a couple times already prior to filming this video as well, and they are absolutely beautiful. Really love them. Highly recommend you go check them out. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't done so already. It really does mean the absolute world. And also, while you're at it, follow Meroda Cosmetics. I'll link all their pages down in the description box down below, as well as discount codes and things like that that might be helpful to you. But yeah, go ahead and check them out on merodacosmetics.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!